I'll start with 1 here at the top, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So I have 15 points. I actually have 16, but one of them you won't see. So why am I doing that? I'm doing that to help me when I construct my front elevation, my plan, and most importantly, my auxiliary view. So we'll start off with our measurements here with our width. So the overall width is 90 millimeters. So I'll start here, put in the overall width, which is 90 millimeters, and then I'll start inserting the internal measurements then as well. So any internal widths, there's only 60 and 30. With light pencil construction lines, bring them across your 2 views. Now, I'm going to step up 85 millimeters because that's the overall height. So 85 millimeters, there's the overall height. Mark that off. The next height then is 30 down from that, which is 55. And there's a height of 25 off the ground as well. So there's 3 heights involved. And again, in light pencil, I'll draw them in. If you know where to go, sometimes you don't have to draw them all the way across, okay? Because we're not doing an end view here, so we don't need to share them across a second view. So really you just have to draw them where they're in place. So then I'm going to draw in my heavy detail of wherever I think that is needed. Draw my verticals first. Then my horizontals. That's the front elevation complete. I can match up the colours with that in a second. Okay? I'll actually just put in a little bit of yellow there just for now. Just to identify that's a yellow surface. And we have a green surface. Again, just to identify that matches up the green. I will colour that in properly in a second, or when I'm finished. And then the other 2 drawings, I've already pre-marked where they're going. So this is the back of the object going across here, and this is the front of the object going across here. So I have the outline of the shape in heavy detail, and then I'll fill in the measurements for any other depths that are involved. So 25 towards the front. I'll bring that across, and looking at my plan view, it's a heavy detail all the way across there, and this is a heavy line there. So again, with my colours, I'll match them up. This is an orange surface here. Just going to put that in orange very quickly for now. I can colour it up at the end just to guide me a little bit. This is a blue surface, and then the red surface is like so. So I have that. Now I'm going to look in here at the angle that was provided to me in the question, which is 45 degrees. So what I'll do is I'll take this 60-30 and I'll put it back in my box, and I'll take out the 45 degree set square, and I'm going to create my auxiliary view. So in this space here, I'll take the furthest point on the right. This is the furthest point on the right in terms of the 45 degrees. And how do I determine that? If you slide your set square along until it hits the last point, that's how you know the furthest point on the right. So I'll bring that up, and that gives me a position of where it's going to sit. So that means that I know I can put my x1, y1 here. And that x1, y1 is not going to impede with the other drawing. So what I'm going to do is, at 45 degrees, I'm going to bring up all of the points. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to match up my numbers. So I have all my numbers here. So if I'm looking for certain points on certain colours of surfaces, I'll just bring them up at 45 degrees. See you later. See you later. Bye bye. And then just to match up the colours again. Is this on the surface? Go on.